So back in March, we had somebody try to steal fuel. So we're upgrading our lightings. This video is going to be an unboxing on this lighting and how good they work. And if you wait till the very end, I'll show you the footage of the guy trying to steal fuel, but not being very lucky. So stay tuned and watch this video. So these are the lights that we got for running around the fuel tanks. Just give us more light. I'm just going to show you an unboxing. They got a plate here. And then there's the light itself. I'll just open this up. That's the light itself. It's got an adjustable mount arm. Heavy duty things on the back. And quite impressed with the light. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you these lights. It's 4 in the morning. You can see that one's bright, lighting this up. But I'll show you how those other lights work. Now that's just a security camera, but we put these other lights in to light up the fuel tanks. So if somebody comes, so now you can see how much that lights up that whole area. And that's just 2 of those. We do have another one coming for over there. So it lights up this whole area. This is at about 3:30 in the morning. And that's just to give you an idea how bright these little 65-watt LED floodlights are.
Five suspects inside, one for 211, suspect known to be armed.